Go.
Okay, so now the computer's all set up. You just muck around there, it's on, we're going to put it on load. So we're loading the coil that has forward and reverse and stop and cut. Then the next thing is we take this panel here off, the protection panel. Okay. So now that we're changing steel, we don't want the 7.5, we want to put on 9.5. So we don't want to cut this way back here. We want to cut it close to here, as close as we can to the roller, so we're not wasting any extra material, because this here, from here to the front of the tool head, is waste. So I'm going to cut this now, and it's just simple with the tin snips. This one. Boom. Okay, so now that's done, what I'm going to do is, before I tape it back up, I'm going to put two 30-degree cuts on here, and you'll see why when we go to load the new. Right, one more thing before I pull that out, I need tape. We take this out, we make sure for now the machine is off, in the off position. This is the decoiler. So now we're going to undo these two pretty much just wind it back. Okay? And here it is. So now we get that tape. Okay, so that's pretty much done. Boiler, we unplug it from the wall. We put the plug through there so we don't run that over when we go to put it back on. You'll notice that there's a pin at the back wheel down the bottom. I'm going to remove that pin. Important that that goes in when the machine's working so that it doesn't roll forward. So that's your main lock for the decoiler rolling forward. Now we've got all that out, we simply bring it forward right over to here. Okay, we undo this right out. It'll drop, but it won't do anything to you. Right to about there. We go behind, come over here, Rapata, so you can see me. We come behind here. In here you've got this for this hydraulic lifter. Okay, so that, first of all, we tighten that there, and that's tight. Tight as clockwise, of course. That goes into there. We start cranking, you'll notice that that's lifting up. Now that that's lifted up, there's also another safety pin on the far side here, which locks that roller. So it's right around there. That's got to come out, okay? When that's out, all you do is you stand back, make sure no one's in front, and you put that back into the release, slowly undo it and let it down. Boom. Now, this, because there's not enough on this coil, you'll notice that the coil's not touching the ground, bro. Slide it under there.